What's up, everybody? I'm gonna make a quick video about how to fix a ripped seat back map pocket. You may have seen this before, and they're ugly, so let's check it out. Here's a seat with the hasn't ripped through the upholstery. It just ripped the end of this map pocket, and this end. I see these a lot on vehicles with cloth interior that have the map pocket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expose the hard plastic rib that's inside there. I'm pushing it through from the other side. I'm going to take a razor blade and trim off about 1/2 inch. And that way I trimmed my little piece here and shove it back in, and that gives you more room to be able to fold this over and glue it back, of course with that not showing, just like this. Yeah, you see that super glue got so hot it's smoking, or it's vaporizing chemicals off. Anyway, that's the initial result. I can't do it with one hand. I don't have a tripod. I'm gonna put another line of glue and just shove this over into it so it gets a little bit closer to the edge. See if there's a way you can watch that. This super glue is just drying too fast. So you get it. As you can see, it's back reattached. You can take a little black paint and touch that up if you have something showing. You can take this and push it down or trim it. You can glue it a little bit like that. So there you go, fixing a map pocket on a seat back repair. Hope this helped you out. Pick up whatever kind of super glue you want to use. I try to find thick super glue so it doesn't just spread into the cloth as soon as you put it on there like water. You want to use a thick super glue so it stays where you want it, and then be prepared to press this thing up there real quick. Have it folded and ready to go, so when you put your line of super glue, then you can just hold it up there and let it cure. So there's the video. I hope that helped you out. I hope you liked it. If you've never seen that done, if you didn't have that idea, please hit the subscribe and the thumbs up. Have a good day.